Hello, this is Detective Lydia. I'm on the long black choo-choo train now in Dollywood.
By Hiram C. Bedlow. Hey, I got a great idea. How about on the count of three, let's yell and tell these folks out here a big old howdy real loud. Let's do it here. 1, 2, 3. All right. See you later, everybody. Have a great day at Dollywoods. Have a lot of fun. See you later. Bye-bye. Up here on the right-hand side is our old-fashioned whistle. I'm sure you can get yourself some of that world-famous Dollywoods Locomotive that everybody talks about. There's not as y'all out down the Temple Road Southern before I have to park today, because guess what? One person's not going to make it out to the car. And if you're under 20 calories, you're going to eat it all up. And we're passing by Old Clark Crossing, and here is the Dusty Road, and keeping everybody safe behind the gate. Bye, everybody. Larry, keep the tickets stand. See you later. Alrighty, I'm going to let you know a little bit about the piece of rolling history you're riding behind. It all started May of 1938. That's when the volume of the motorboat out of Evanston, Pennsylvania, built primarily Mikado style engine of the 70s. To weigh a little over 230,000 pounds. It is a genuine coal-fired steam-driven Type 282 locomotive engine. A Type 282 wheel configuration on a steam engine, central wings, 2 small guide wheels in the front, 2 small trailing wheels in the back, and 8 big large drive wheels in the middle. After engine 70 was completed, she was shipped up to Skagway, Alaska, where they put her to work on the White Pass of the Yukon Railroad.